Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassie. I am here again with another amazing video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. In today's video, we are going to be preparing some banana bread. I know it's been a while since I made banana bread, and the last banana bread video was amazing. Thank you so much for all your comments, for all your shares. We're going to be making banana bread without sugar, and it is going to taste so good. You would not believe that there is no sugar in the banana bread. So this banana bread is dedicated to everyone who doesn't like sugar. You're trying to stay away from sugar, especially processed sugar. Well, I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing ingredient that I use if I do not want to add sugar to my banana bread, and you're going to love it. We're still using the same method of making banana bread, but this time around we are not adding sugar to the banana bread. I know you can't wait to see how this will turn out and of course how it's going to taste. So let's get started. On that note, hit that subscribe button and join us. First off, we have to wear our apron. I'm ready to bake. First things first, I'm just going to share with you the basic ingredients for banana bread. We have our 2 ripe bananas. I like to use this type of banana for my banana bread because this would give it a perfect texture and taste. I have some melted butter. I have some milk, 2 eggs, some baking powder, baking soda, some vanilla extract, cinnamon. If you have been following me, then you know that I'm a lover of cinnamon in my banana bread. And of course, we have some all-purpose flour. The star ingredient for this recipe, since we're not using sugar, is dates. Yes, so if you were guessing before now, you got it right. We're going to be using dates. I soaked this for about 30 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to add this to your banana bread. Then we're going to also add some cashew nuts, so I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to be blending this together using the Bosch multi-talent 8 food processor. This is actually one of my favorite food equipments right now. This food processor can actually do almost everything that you want it to do. We're going to use this to process our dates, and I'm going to be adding some cashew into that. So I really love Bosch products. If you notice, my blender is also Bosch, my smoothie maker is also Bosch. So the multi-talent 8 food processor from Bosch is amazing. Anyway, this is not an ad, but I just love their products. But in case Bosch, you can see this video and you're thinking, okay, let's send you more food products, let's send you more kitchen wares and kitchen products. Well, of course, I'm open for that. So right now we're going to add our dates into the food processor, just like that. We're going to add the cashew nuts as well. So we're going to process this together. So this is ready, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just take a look at that. So this is our date and cashew mix. A plate like this. And the good thing about this is dates and cashew blend can be turned into protein bars. So you want a snack, you want something sweet for snacking, you can do this, process this, and add some oats and just roll this and keep in the refrigerator. We are going to mash our bananas. I'm using 2 bananas for this recipe. Hey, I'm unavailable. They know they see me. Okay, this looks really good. I'm going to break 2 eggs in here. Butter, some vanilla extract. I'm going to pour in some milk. Remember that you need to be careful with your wet ingredients because this will determine the texture of your banana bread. If you're just joining us, welcome to my channel, guys. Please hit that subscribe button and join us. We're making banana bread without sugar. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Is it going to be sweet? We're going to find out. Now we're going to add almond and cashew mix. To be using about I think half of this because I'm going to use part of this to make some snacks with oats. I'm going to show you how I make mine. So just add some part of this mixture into. So now we're going to mix this properly. Okay, remember that it is sticky, so everything needs to be incorporated into the wet mixture. And if you're not so confident about how you would mix this with your hands, you can quickly add this into your blender and just blend once. Set this aside. So we have 2 of this into the bowl. We're just going to sieve this in. We're going to add some baking powder. Have some baking powder here. Baking soda. Lemon. Stir this together. You're adding the wet ingredients gradually. So add about half of that. And we're going to stir this. Okay. More of the mixture. Just stir that. So our mixture is ready and it's time to bake. We're going to bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees. And this is the pan I'm using today. I'm just going to put this in. To pour in our mixture. So this is looking really good. And that is that. So now we're going to bake this and we'll see what it looks like. I'm going to show you what you're going to do with this. You're going to love it so much. So just put in that mixture. I'm going to add some oats. I'm going to add about 2 spoons. I'm going to mix this together with the oats. And this is what it looks like, guys. And this is what you have. And I have some coconut flakes. And I'm just going to turn this over. We have that. We're going to repeat the same thing. Here we have our high protein balls. They look so good. It's pretty healthy. Dates, cashew, oats, and then some coconut flakes. So let's keep this in the refrigerator and we'll be right back with our banana bread. And our banana bread is ready. At this point, you have not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Please join us. It's all fun here. Do not forget to share this video as well, okay? This bread is looking really good. So let's flip this over. Guys, this is our banana bread. Look at how lovely it's looking. So I'm just going to allow this to cool down a bit before we start slicing, and I'm going to show you what the inside looks like, okay? Wow, yummy. And I love the fact that the texture is perfect. This is exactly how we want our banana bread to look like. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this out, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my channel. My recipe books are in the description box. All you need to do is download them. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. I'll see you later. Bye bye.